Hello everyone, it's Meshko here. Today we have this interesting problem. We have to find x plus y given x squared minus y squared is 24 and x times y to be 35. Grab yourself a coffee, relax in your bed, and let's get started. So how do we actually start this problem? We have a clue here. X squared minus y squared, that is difference of two squares, right? So let's start by writing this in difference of two squares form, that is x plus y times x minus y, and this is equal to 24. That is the most important thing. Then the next step, if we square each side of the equation and then expand again, we're going to be getting something like x times y, right? So let's go ahead and then square each side of this equation, so that if we expand this one, we're going to be getting x plus y all squared times x minus y squared, and this is equal to 24 squared is 576. Now let's expand this first factor. We're going to be getting x squared plus y squared plus 2 times xy. That is the first one. Then here we're going to be getting x squared plus y squared minus 2 times xy. And this is equal to 576. Now from this equation over here, we know xy to be 35. So in place of xy, we're going to be putting 35. So we're going to have as 2 times 35 times minus 2 times 35. And this is equal to 576. And we can simplify this further. From here we have x squared plus y squared plus 2 times 35, that is 70, times this side we are also left with x squared plus y squared minus 2 times 35, which is also negative 70. And this is equal to 576 as always. Now we have x squared plus y squared plus 70, x squared plus y squared minus 70. So this is difference of two squares, which could be written as x squared plus y squared all squared minus 70 squared. And this is equal to 576. Let's go ahead and then make the whole of this one the subject, so that we have x squared plus y squared all squared is equal to, we are transposing negative 70 squared. So we're going to have 576 plus 70 squared is 4900. So we have x squared plus y squared all squared is equal to, if you sum these two values, we're going to be getting 5476. Now we have a square here, so let's take square root on each side of the equation so that we will get rid of the square. But remember, we have plus or minus here, very important. So this and this will go, and now we have x squared plus y squared is equal to plus or minus square root of 5476, that is 74. So x squared plus y squared is 74. We can go ahead and then call this equation 1. But remember, in the question we are looking for x plus y, right? X plus y here. Now here is the deal. We know x squared plus y squared, and we also know xy, right? So if we raise x plus y to the second power, we will be getting x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. We know this one to be this, and we also know this to be 35, right? So we're going to be getting x plus y squared is equal to plus or minus 74, then plus 2 times 35. And this is equal to plus or minus 74 plus 70. And now we're going to be getting two equations. The first equation is going to be x plus y all squared is equal to, we are taking the positive side first, we're going to be getting 74 plus 70. Then the second equation will be, I wrote x squared, which is never true. We have x plus y all squared is equal to negative 74 plus 70. So basically, these are the two equations that we're going to be getting, right? Now let's focus on the first equation. We have x plus y all squared is equal to 74 plus 70, that is 144. We are looking for x plus y, so let's take square root on each side so that the square will go away. And as always, plus or minus is important. This and this will go. We have x plus y is equal to plus or minus 12. So this is a solution to the problem. Now let's consider the second equation over here. From here, we're going to be getting x plus y all squared is equal to negative 74 plus 70, that is negative 4. We take square root on each side. This and this will go, we have plus or minus here. And we are left with x plus y, which is equal to plus or minus, this is the same as plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of negative 1. And we know that square root of negative 1 is basically I, right? And square root of 4 is 2, so we're going to be getting 2I. So pretty much these are the solutions to the problem. This is a complex solution, and then this is the real solution. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.